Hello and welcome to Davey Motor Group Geelong. My name is Ben. Today we'll be having a look at this 2008 Honda Civic FD2 Type R. This vehicle has just recently arrived from Japan, now available in Geelong, Victoria. Excellent original condition, while also having a few extras such as a body kit, and it does have an aftermarket exhaust as well. Factory spoiler, still in very good condition. These Type R FD2s were never sold officially in Australia, so they have been quite a good choice, especially for a Honda enthusiast. Got the original Type R alloys, Brembo brakes, we'll start by taking a look in the boot. Where being a Honda Civic Type R, it is a Civic in the end of the day, so you do have practicality of a sedan. So you've got quite a large boot with a nice rubber mat, and you do have the tyre sealing stuff as well. Aftermarket exhaust, it's got quite a nice tone to it. Back seats are quite nice, got some nice red touches all over the interior, power windows, original floor mats, seating for 4 people. Plenty of leg room. I'm 5'9" personally, and my legs aren't touching the back seat, so it's pretty good if you've got to take the family. Do have a mat pocket here as well. Front we do have, again, the continue of the red on the door cards. Got your power windows and power mirrors. Factory Type R seats. Type R badging and Type R genuine floor mats. Got 2 keys with the vehicle, and it is a push start. Really nice seating position. Only done 72,285 at the time of this recording. It does have an aftermarket Japanese head unit in it, but we do have a reverse camera as well fitted to the vehicle. Automatic climate control. This is number 3906 for the FD2. We've got 2 cup holders here, bit of storage in there, and a bit of storage here as well, plus your 12-volt power outlet, and you've got the center console as well. Quite a nice sized glove box, as you can see, and we do have all of the books for the vehicle from Japan, including service history. And you've also got a little bit of storage here as well. Take a look under the bonnet. We do have the very popular engine from Honda, the K20. Nice and tucked away there. Under the bonnet, it's all original. No modifications have been made under here. It's all in very good, clean condition, ready for the Honda enthusiast. This 2008 Honda Civic Type R is priced at $41,990 drive away. That includes 3 months of Victorian registration, roadworthy stamp duty, transferred directly into your name. We have warranties available, shipping available anywhere in Australia. And we've also got a black Honda Civic Type R as well. If you have any questions, please do leave them down in the comments below. And you can also check our website out at daveymotorgroup.com, where you can view all of our other cars. We've got hybrids, vans, K-trucks. We guarantee that we have the specific vehicle for your needs.